Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sabrina Damayanti. I'm from Bikas. In this video, I will show you how to make a good presentation. There are 4 steps that make you a good presenter. First is you must attract the attention of your audience. Second is greetings. In greetings, you must introduce yourself and your members. After that, the third step is introduce your topic. Don't forget to explain the goals of your presentation. And the fourth step is tell the structure of your presentation. Now, let's go into the example. Everyone, now we are about to start the seminar, so please pay attention and sit nicely. Thank you. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. An honor to meet you in this beautiful day. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Sabrina Damayanti, and in this opportunity, I would like to present about plagiarism. All of you must have heard about this term, and in this presentation, I will give you an overview of issues surrounding plagiarism and practical ways to avoid it. My presentation will divide into 3 parts. First is main points. After I've explained the main points, we will going to the Q&A session. And at the final, I will give you the conclusion. After you finish your presentation, don't forget the closing, like, so that's all about plagiarism from me. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Thank you for your time and attention.